After changes to website configurations or deployments of new features, use the scanner to test and ensure that no new vulnerabilities have been introduced. You can set up scanning your web application in CI/CD using our GitHub action. Here is an example where I set up the GitHub workflow to run for my pull request and failed if there is any low vulnerability reported or higher. These use cases show how versatile a website vulnerability scanner can be, providing valuable insights and helping with cybersecurity maintenance and compliance.